Hello doctors, welcome to Cerebellum Academy. So now this video is for the undergraduate doctors who are preparing for the post-graduation examination, whether it may be NEET, PG, INI-CET. So we've covered all the important dates in this video. So first thing, save these dates and don't ignore them. So coming to your INI-CET PG July session, the exam is scheduled to be on 16th of May 2026, which is on Saturday. Next is your FMGE June session, and that is scheduled to be on 28th of June 2026, which is on your Sunday. Then UPSC Combined Medical Services examination is scheduled to be on 2nd August 2026, again which is on Sunday, and your NEET PG 2026 is on August 30th 2026, again on a Sunday. So these are the important dates, remember, and according to this you can start planning your preparation now and schedule your own timeline which will suit to you according to these dates mentioned. So as the timeline has been scheduled, don't wait till the end. Start preparing your schedules, timeline, and align your GT's mock tests according to these schedule. And last thing is, the dates might change in the ending moment, so do not be stressful about it. Just focus on your preparation and start preparing now. So if you're serious about your preparations, keep these timelines in your mind and accordingly set your time schedule. And also, before you go, let us know in the comment section which exam are you preparing for, and all the very best. Thank you.